Solving the world's most complex challenges. How do you do that?
By helping disadvantaged US high school students to master advanced mathematics,
Opening the door to better jobs.
making it easier for children to get to school
Sick people to a clinic.
and farmers to the market.
Turning an old gold mine into a renewable energy storage hub to power
26,000
Australian homes and offset 120,000 tonnes of carbon emissions.
Now that's more valuable than gold. Reducing flood risk from a 1 in 50 to a 1 in 300 chance each year.
And protecting 14,000 properties in Boston, England. How?
With the Boston Barrier.
Fancy a quick dip?
In Auckland, our smart infrastructure platform, Mott, predicts water quality at more than 80 beaches, so 350,000 beachgoers know when and where it's safe to swim. Helping revitalise the city of Olean in New York State.
A makeover of the main street, calmed traffic.
And promoted walking, running and cycling.
People have returned, and the town is on the up.
Nepal was devastated by an earthquake in 2015.
The recovery programme is improving infrastructure, raising construction standards, and promoting social inclusion.
Providing Nepal with a brighter and stronger future. Tackling today's challenges and preparing for tomorrow's.
Together with our clients,
Partners,
colleagues,
and you.
making life better for everyone.
It's what we do.
So, how do we help solve the world's most complex challenges?
This is how.